Here's an example of how to fill out the ISEF rules if you are studying a experiment that is utilizing microscopic organisms that will be growing in a culture. So in the rules wizard, we'll click microorganisms. Notice here that microorganisms are prohibited from the home environment. So you're going to have to conduct this experiment not at home. Click OK. Next page. Will you conduct your experiment at the following sites? This is something where we probably need some kind of a laboratory setting. Let's say for our sake our student only has access to an experiment place at school, so we'll click school. And please be aware that certain studies involving microorganisms have to be done at a research institute, so they may not be allowed in a school laboratory. So you have to go through and check the rules on that. We'll click next page. In our case of students that are doing some microorganisms, none of these apply to them, so they'll click none, and then next page. Won't be looking at any human subjects, so none and none, and then scroll down. It's already checked no, so next page. We don't have any of these involved in the experiment that the student has proposed with microorganisms, so we click none and next page. In this case, we're working with bacteria, so we'll click here, and we also may be working with some mold here, so we are going to click here just in case. We're going to get some next page here, and notice that we have some warnings and some forms to fill out. Form 6A will need to be filled out, so you put your student's name up here, the title of your project, and the student researcher, you're responsible for filling out this part. Now you're going to want to type this out. Understand that just going around and picking up bacteria samples off of water fountains or toilet seats could put you at risk because you do not know exactly what biological contaminants are in those places. You'll need to fill this out and give this to a qualified scientist to complete, as well as submit it to the SRC. If there's no SRC for your regional fair, please send it to the NJAS SRC chair for review prior to experimenting starting.